Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first we should open the Play Store application, and after that here in the search bar we should enter Ampere. And now we should get this application. That's why I just tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, just tap here to open the app, click yes I agree, pick close, on the left down corner tap to OK, and now we can see here the temperature of our device battery, and in my case that's 31.1 degrees. Also, we can find here more information like the battery health, level, capacity, device voltage, Android version, device model, and more other info. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.